Today I'm gonna do something really different in order to decorate the pages of my journal. So welcome to my channel. I am Maria here, and let's start. The first thing you're gonna need is your cover or your signature. Use a mat like this with measurements for the purpose of making little holes at the same distance. If you don't have a mat like that, you can use a ruler, and you can come here and do it like every centimeter. I would say you can do a little hole. So you can also do it right away like I'm doing in this case, or you can mark them first and then come with the tool and make the little hole. So I'm gonna do it following the pattern I have down here, and also to make sure that you have them all aligned, what you can do is you can make a line here, so you will know that the holes are going to be aligned and in the same straight line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark them on top of the ruler, and then I'm gonna come back and punch them completely through the paper. I'm pretty sure that is really new and that you are going to love it. This is from the other side, and that is from the inside. I'm gonna do the same, following the centimeters here. You're going to need yarn, or if you prefer, you can use embroidery thread. I'm gonna start from here all the way through the other side. This is too much green. I want to have a contrasting color, and I think I'm gonna go with this purple. This is Aero 150 millimeters, and this is DMC embroidery thread. So I'm gonna do my first ring, and then I'm going to start crocheting my cover. So from here all the way through the other side to the inner part, and then you do your first stitch. That will be this one. You can also go with more than one time in each of the holes. So that is the second one, and so on.
When I first thought about this idea, I said, well, I don't know. Probably I'm going to need a different type of cardboard or cardstock, but this is coming out really good. As I said before, this is a testing, so I'm going to be trying in a different material for a next video.
You have to give a space in between the stitches so you can be going through the way you want to go. You see, in this case we're going to go up. There we have. This is what we have so far. Don't worry about that. I'm going to go back in a moment and do a better finishing touch for that part. And we just remember, I'm just trying and testing how it looks. It feels really good, and I'm pretty sure you can do it with different thickness of paper.
You can always subscribe to my channel just giving a click to the subscribing button down below. This is how I do the corner. I place 2 stitches in the last hole and in the first hole on the other side. And then I place 5 chains in between.
These were a little bit farther from the border, but it doesn't matter. We're trying, we're testing, and we're gonna see the results. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm gonna do 3 half stitches in each of the loops that I have here, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is how we do the angle. So I'm just gonna go here, and then I'm gonna go through the chains I have inside onto the other side. So I cross the angle, and then I go over here. Always go under both of the threads that you have here. You see, you have 2, so you go right in here.
Remember that you can always subscribe to my channel. Just give a click in my picture at the end of this video or in the box down below. Also, remember to leave me a comment. Are you gonna do this? Did you like the idea? Let me know in the comments that I will love to read your message. Stay tuned because in my next episode, I'm coming with another new idea. Don't forget to leave me thumbs up, to share this video, and to come back for my next episode. I see you soon, my friends. Bye. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye.